8 divided by 4 equals 2. 4 times 2 equals 8 and 8 divided by 8 equals 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a division operator here, we have a division operator inside parentheses, we have a multiplication in between, and we have parentheses present here. According to the rules, we must solve parentheses first as they have highest priority over anything else. So 8 divided by 4 inside parentheses, that gives us 2. And our expression simplifies to 8 divided by 4 times 2. Now we have two operators present here, division and multiplication, and according to the rules they both have equal priority, but we have to work from left to right. So we must solve this division first because it's on the left side. So 8 divided by 4, that gives us 2, and finally 2 times 2, that equals 4, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.